Why did a carved Hobo nickel sell for $13,200? Stay tuned to find out. Well, if you've never heard of Hobo Nickels, they're basically carved and damaged coins. However, it has become a form of art, and they can command high premiums. And you would not believe some of these nickels and how much they sell for. And also, it's not just nickels, it's expanded to every denomination, and there are some beautiful carved Morgan dollars and peace dollars. I know some people might cringe at that, but it's a fact. So we're going to take a look at some of this. Well, the Hobo nickel market is pretty large. It's still a small niche. As you can see, this is Heritage Coin Auctions. They actually sell them there. And you've got a lot of different crudeness of designs. As you can see, they still sell for a little bit of a premium. But it runs the gamut of actual talent when you look at all of these. Some of them are actually original that come from collections where someone actually obtained a original. But as far as the expensive ones, I mean, we're talking it's going to be based on artist. The reason this one here sold for what it sold for, which was $13,200, is because of the artist. And the artist is nickel. It's by Bert 33. It was Bert Weingand. And when you have names on some of these Hobo nickels, they will go for a lot of money. The more elaborate ones will sell for even more. As you can look and see, all these values, you've got $8,000, $400, $9,600. You've got different ones, and I've seen some of these up for sale at different times. They'll trade hands often. But these here are pretty much your basic Hobo nickels that are sold for what they sold for because of the artist. Now, if you go over to eBay, you can scroll down through and type in Hobo, and you can get a chance to see some pretty expensive and elaborate designs on some of these Hobo nickels. I've seen them on eBay go for, a couple grand. These here are dollars. We'll look at them a little bit closer. Here you have a Hobo nickel. It's carved genuine by this artist, and you can look at it, and it's got a little gold inlay. It seemed like that's kind of popular to put a little gold inlay. Then you have this one. It's really crude. It sold for $4.25. It's called the Old Hippie. Then you have this one. It's more like an original. It says it's original Hobo, Uncle Oliver. It sold for $15.50. And then you have this one. It's a little more elaborate. It sold for $155.50. It's called the Lovers, 24 karat gold, hand engraved. Similar artist as the other one with the skull. Skulls are pretty popular and common. This one here, U.S., approximately $770.71. This one here. And you can see different, shows the different sizes, what it was carved on. It's a real small one there by J.H. Ranger is another name you'll see a lot. Here's another one that's really elaborate. This one was on, it's with a Morgan dollar and 2 peso. The 2 pesos inside, as you can see, which is gold. I'm not sure if that's a real gold coin or not, but anyways, it sold for $600, and Bullion Exchange sold that one. Here's another one. This is called the Roman Boutine's Gold Bug Hobo Nickel. It has 1/10 ounce of 22 karat gold inlay here. You can see that it closes and opens. This is another one that is mechanical. It actually shows you how to do it. It actually conceals your gold. It's kind of interesting. This one sold for $699.28. Here's another one. This was by J.H. Ranger. It's got a little kind of more mechanical looking octopuses with actual crab. Here's some more details of it. He added some things to make it look like it's got tritium. It glows in the dark, it looks like. It's kind of a neat coin, neat nickel. Sold for $684.24. You'll see a lot of this. I mean, anything to make it more unique, interesting. You have this one, and it's actually a Hobo Nickel hand engraved $1/2 silver coins, love token, gold inlay. And it says 4 were sold. And this is where you got to watch, because there are a lot of fakes. I'm not saying this is not a fake and that each one of them are a little bit different, but just the same design. But there are a lot of them on Etsy that you can find. You have to watch out for that. Here's one. This is supposed to be on a Morgan dollar, but it's not. It's actually a fake Morgan dollar, fake Hobo Nickel that you can buy off of, you can tell it's poorly struck, but you can buy it off of Etsy and AliExpress and Wish app and all these. You'll see them all the time, and these are on eBay here. So when you basically see a couple sold and how many and several are available, you know that's probably not an authentic, actually carved, hand-carved, original Hobo Nickel. Here's another one, another example. You can see 7 sold, 3 available. And here's one that's kind of odd. There's no pictures, and what it says is Hobo coins, sold for $2,400 and $10,000 shipping, 1-day shipping. So there's something going on with that. My thing is that you have to watch out for some of the confusing things you'll see online, and to know that Hobo Nickels are not immune to fraud or deceit, and but they do have a premium regardless. So we're looking at some art here. Hopefully that opened your eyes to a few things you may have not realized about Hobo Nickels, or taught you about Hobo Nickels and what they can sell for. Maybe you have some in your collection. Maybe you want to try your hand at carving them. There are eBay channels that you can learn to carve Hobo Nickels, actually show you the techniques. So thanks for watching my latest video. Please like, share, and comment, and have a great day.